feeding them right away, Leah. Here's your little baby right here, too. What's this right here? Huh? What is that? Look at that right there. Oh my goodness, it's baby food. Come on, it's baby food right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Huh? Go on now. It's okay. That's right here. It is right there. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I know. See, this little boy, he just needs a little bit of help pushing his food over to him, that's all. Good babies, look at that, huh? Oh my goodness. Then we're going to give these other babies food next. Well, you said this guy was a slobber here. A piggy. It's your first foodies over here in Utah Park, huh? Oh boy. Let me tell you something. This sucker right here, he's got a good appetite. Look at that. He's going to clean that damn plate off. Let's see. Hold on a second there, Messy Marv. There you go. Well, they were definitely hungry. They were definitely hungry. These other babies, they don't need the food right now. I might give them a little tiny bit, but they've been eating dry foods since they've been in here. They've only been in here for about 10 minutes. Good boy, look at that. Oh my goodness. Cleaning that dang plate off. And this one too. This little baby over here. Their first food over here at the foster house over here. I'm not worried about these guys at all. Look at the appetite on that. That's terrific. That's one thing you have to worry about with these, when you get a cat first off the bat. Because sometimes they won't eat, or they've been fed a certain type of food and you don't know. Well, we knew what kind of food they ate, and they had a good appetite on it. But that's a main concern. And then also poo-poos and pee-pees are a big concern also when you first get them. But I think these guys are going to be okay. The other babies have a little bit of diarrhea, and I have the medication for that. So we'll just continue administering twice a day. Okay, they look good, man. Look at that, huh? We got a good little area there. They put their blanket on top of the new bed that we got for them. We got some new beds at Walmart. In fact, Walmart was gracious enough to give me a 10% discount on all the cat products. I had asked the manager if he could extend some kind of a discount. And it doesn't hurt to ask. And he said, yeah, give me 10%. So, look at him, huh? Boy, I tell you what, he's already over there, and this other baby's over here. Here, come over here and finish this over here. And we'll just give you a little bit over here. Huh? Yeah, right there. There. Just put a little bit on that plate. There's little remedies for everything. This little guy right here is probably just about done, and he's obviously, boy, he's got an appetite. So we'll let him. You gotta let him eat. If you want to switch up, then let him switch up. We'll let that one eat off of his bowl and then bring him over here. Because he's obviously mindset on eating over here, but what a good. He's a good size. He's got a good appetite. This little baby right here too. Look how small they are, though. Compared, they're about as big as my hand right there. They're beautiful little babies, and they're all set up over here. We're going to feed these other ones on their side here, and as soon as these guys get done. Because hopefully when they get done with this, they're going to want to go night-night. They'll take a little nap. Those little guys over there, they're older and they're more adventurous, so they're going to be they might even be behind the bed, you never know. There's a problem with that still over here. But they can't get out of the bedroom. They can get, unfortunately, under the bed still. But, what are you doing? Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. What you got over there? Oh, there's the other baby right there. How you doing, other baby right there? We haven't named him yet, and that's the blanket they were on with Leah, so we put that blanket on top of the other new beddy bed we got for the kitty cats. And they got their little litter box. Yeah, they're having a great old time, man. Okay, come here. I think you're. I know you're allowed now. She was right. You do get real dirty, huh? We have to be very careful when we clean you because you're very delicado. You're very delicado, huh? We'll wash you later. When Mommy gets home, we'll give you a nice bath. Give you a bath. Need your baths. I hate to take the food away from them, but they're just about done anyway. And it's kind of like creating a situation. So they've both eaten a fair amount of food, so I'll just take whatever little tiny bit that's left now, gone. You guys have a good time, okay?